So how can you watch unsupported videos on the iPhone? Let's get started. Now, if you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe to Foxtecc because I have plenty of videos which I believe are going to be helpful to you. So the best way I find to make videos work is by downloading a different video player. By far, the best choice, if you ask me, is a VLC media player. And this is a free app which you can then download from the App Store. It all works fine and everything, but when you open up the app, there is basically nothing in there. What we need to do instead is to locate the Files application on your device like this. And then, since we have the VLC app downloaded, in your iPhone section, like in your local storage, there should show up the VLC folder, right? So it has this like VLC icon on the top of the blue folder icon. And this is the folder dedicated for that VLC player. And essentially, if we have some video which is like not supported, and it might be in a different format or something, you can just move it over into this like VLC folder. And once the file is in there, you can then return to the VLC player and the video should show up inside of that app. So if the video works and if the file is okay, you will be able to play it through that player. And obviously, this type of VLC player will basically play any file type for videos as long as the file is okay and that it's not corrupted, right? Because anything could have happened to that file, in which case you cannot really do anything else. But I believe that you should be able to play it through this type of player. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it for your situation. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.